In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app on AppyPie, taking you from zero to launch. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will give you the tools you need to create your very own app. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and doing a quick search for AppyPie. Once you've found it, click on the link to head over to the AppyPie website. Now, once you're on their homepage, look for a button that says Get Started and give that a click. This will take you to the App Builder's Creator software. Here, you'll be prompted to type in your business name. Make sure this name reflects your app's purpose or your brand, as this is the first thing users will see. Once you've entered a suitable name, click Next to proceed. It's now time to choose a category for your app. Think about what truly reflects the nature of your app. This could range from entertainment to education or even business. Selecting the right category ensures your app reaches the right audience. With that done, you'll then need to pick a color scheme that best matches your brand. Consistency is key in branding, so select colors that align with your existing brand identity or give your new project a distinctive feel. Next up, select a test device. This is an important step as it gives you an idea of how your app will look and function on different devices. Once you're satisfied, you'll need to choose a plan that suits your needs to continue building. Click Upgrade Now to select the best option for your requirements. Congratulations, you're now on the App Manager dashboard. This is where you can start editing and customizing your mobile app. To do this, click on Edit Mobile App. You'll notice default pages like Home and Contact are already included. Feel free to edit or update them as needed. Additionally, explore the features list to add social media integrations, photos, audio, video, and other functionalities that enhance your user experience. Next, select App Manager to adjust design elements and system pages like splash screens, navigation, and layout. This is where your creativity truly shines. So take your time to refine each detail to make your app stand out. After you've made all your adjustments, remember to click Save. Once you've saved your progress, AppyPie provides a QR code for testing your app to ensure everything functions as intended. This is a great way to see your app in action before release. Finally, when you're happy with the results and everything is ready to go, click Publish Now to launch your app. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created and launched your very own app on AppyPie. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in bringing your app idea to life.